The 11th plate and final plate of the sword in one hand is a little bit mysterious because you're standing here like this, and I'm standing like this, and it says, this is what you do in armor. Very helpful. Now, I think that that is basically an instruction to, in armor, getting close with a half sword to find the weak spots. I don't think it's terribly important where that sword is because I'm in full armor. So we can get there. I mean, imagine you're perhaps thrusting at my face because you were going for the open visor perhaps, and I beat it out the way and I'm coming in here. That puts the sword on the wrong side relative, to the picture, but again, I don't think this is a specific choreographical play. It's more of a general, and remember, when you're in armor, get in like this. Lovely.